The Light Rail 3.5 from Gualala Robotics has 4 fixed wheels and 1 drive wheel. The fixed wheels roll freely inside on top of the track. The drive wheel is spring suspended and drives from the bottom of the track. First, plug in the trolley. Push the reversing bar in the direction you want the trolley to go. Place the front 2 fixed wheels on the track and move forward, compressing the drive wheel up until it makes contact with the bottom of the track. Push up on the trolley until the back wheels have moved on the track. Do not push the trolley forward, only up. Make sure and put the wing lock nuts on the correct and same side as the reversing bar.